In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check robots.txt in Screaming Frog. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find which pages are being blocked and which robots. Text rule is responsible so you can troubleshoot confidently. First, launch Screaming Frog on your device. The tool opens in spider mode by default, which is perfect for this task. Give it a moment to initialize. If you're planning to crawl a large site, it's a good idea to close other heavy applications so Screaming Frog has enough memory to work smoothly. Next, enter your site's URL in the address bar at the top. Be sure to include the correct protocol and subdomain, like HTTP versus HTTPS and www versus non-www, because robots.txt can differ across variations. Click Start. You'll see the crawl progress in the bottom right, and discovered URLs will begin populating the main window. Wait for the crawl to reach 100%. Being patient here ensures you get the full picture of which URLs are blocked, not just a partial snapshot. When the crawl is complete, go to the Response Codes tab in the main window. This tab organizes every discovered URL by its HTTP status and how the crawler interacted with it. It's the best place to filter down to problem areas without sifting through unrelated data. Inside Response Codes, look for the Filter drop-down at the top of the table and select Blocked by Robots.txt. As soon as you choose this filter, the list will update to show only the URLs that the crawler could not request because of robots.txt rules. This view makes it much easier to focus on access issues, especially on larger sites. Now, pay close attention to the matched robots.txt line column. This column tells you exactly which directive caused the block, including the line number and the rule that matched, such as a disallow pattern. This is incredibly helpful because you can see whether the block came from a general user agent group or a specific one, and whether a wildcard or trailing slash pattern is catching more URLs than intended. If you notice a critical page here, the matched rule will point you to what needs review on your robots.txt file. Keep in mind that Screaming Frog respects robots.txt by default, which is ideal for an accurate check. If your robots.txt changes later, you'll need a fresh crawl to confirm the new behavior. That's it. By launching the tool, running a full crawl, filtering by blocked by robots.txt, and reading the matched robots.txt line, you can pinpoint exactly why any URL is being blocked.